And you may remind the Registrar Judicial that as far as this court is concerned, why does he delete? Unless, of course, Honorable CJI may.
Sorry, leave it at that.
No, you may tell him, please. What do we do?
Personal.
Causes inconvenience to you and to us both. Yes.
Lord, day before yesterday, my Lord, one service.
Some correction.
Lordship passed the order dismissing the Lord's SLP, but permitted me to withdraw. But Lordship had also granted me liberty to go to the High Court. Inadvertently, my Lord, this is missing out.
Just 1 minute.
This was a, my Lord, seniority issue and the reversion order.
1 minute, 1 minute, sir. ये फाइल के साथ put up it. Put up it.
I'm grateful.
The Lordship may mention in a matter where is special.
They were not party to it. You were not party to some of the petitioners. We are party. Some
Yes,
of
my Lord, out of
some of the
42,
petitioners we are not party.
2 were petitioners, my Lord, 40 were not petitioners. Lordship. Grateful.
Lordship may mention in a matter wherein suspension of sentence has been allowed by your Lordship and the criminal appeal is pending before the High Court. But in this order, a criminal appeal is pending before this court inadvertently written in the order. On the first page, criminal appeal written in the
विक्रमनाथ की कोर्ट का वो है नहीं तो उसके आपके आगे mention
नहीं, Honorable Justice Vikramnath is not there.
Yes.
But is Honorable Justice संदीप मेहता साहब तो है ना, regular bench तो वही है. Make a mention before. See, I have been sitting in a 3-judge bench combination.
Yes, your Lordship.
Now the regular bench is Honorable Justice Nath and Honorable Justice Mehta. It would be only prudent that you please go there and make a mention.
Yes.
Should you wish to make it?
Yes, your Lordship.
By 3-judge bench or 2 judge? 3 judges. 3 judges. You are the next senior. The senior to hum hai na. You are the next. Correct. Oh, regular DP available. Nath साहब का और Nath साहब का और correct.
Lordship, actually matter is listed before the High Court today itself.
Why don't you go and make a mention before Honorable Justice?
Yes.
Go and make a mention. If nothing happens, come back to us. If
Then,
nothing happens, come back to us.
yes.
item 1
But make a mention. You may inform the Honorable Judge that you have made a mention here. And because now there is a regular DP of Honorable Justice Nath and the Honorable Judge available, I mean, that's the combination now. So therefore, prudently we thought it you to mention there.
There is a pre-judge's bench order.
Yeah, there or there.
Yes,
You go there.
yes, your
If nothing happens, then you come back. But
Yes.
make a mention.
yes, yes.
One Lordship has asked respondent to file affidavit stating that regarding that LinkedIn profile, and I have been asked to file rejoinder. I have filed rejoinder in detail, showing that at the time of filing of this petition, I
Now
was
you're in
Kolhapur. Thereafter, for 2 months, to September to November, I got a job, so that I went to Bangalore. Then again,
You're
I
in
got-
Kolhapur. That's what
again Kolhapur. Everything has
My lord, there is something I have to say, my lord. During September, even as per their own affidavit, from September 24 to November 24, she was in Bangalore. Now,
Hello to Kolhapur now it's all.
my lord, she is in full-time work now in a company based out of Hyderabad as per their own document, my lord. The last document which they have annexed.
She is working work from home.
My lord, I will permitted appear through DC, my lord.
That
Always
is
Lordship.
always
Right.
there, subject to the availability and the further orders passed by the
Right.
That is always there.
item 2
Please, my lords. My lord, this is a transfer petition filed by the wife.
As per, the office board service is complete. Runs now. No? No, sir. Yes, what is there? Mediation report there? Yes, possible.
Well, this is a transfer petition filed by the wife. Settlement has been failed, Your Lordship, and we are seeking transfer from Pune, Maharashtra to Betia, Bihar, 1800
Your
kilometers.
Lordship, if I may only suggest, Your Lordships may keep it in Pune. I am ready to pay for boarding and lodging and everything.
Thank you.
Then, Your Lordships may please allow me to appear through VC.
That is part of the order. We always say
I'm so very detailed. I'm so very
subject to availability and the convenience and
I'm so very
other direction by the
I'm
court.
so very detailed.
Leave your bill.
Your Lordship, here for the respondents, we've just been informed by the client. We've not filed the Vakalatnama.
Just 1 minute. One minute. It's a
May it please your lordships. Your lordships, I'm seeking transfer of this defamation
Who are you?
complaint. Your lordships, I am the accused in the defamation complaint.
See, defamation, it is not, Arnab Goswami would not apply here, no? It's a
Yeah.
private complaint, no?
Your lordships,
They need
however,
to defamation in a private communication.
I understand this.
That principle would not apply.
Your lordships, I am carrying a matter in which this honorable court has allowed transfer in a defamation complaint in a prior matter. If I may kindly hand that across. Your lordships, the same complainant has also filed a private complaint against me in Calcutta.
That is on a completely
One
different.
minute, gentlemen, she's
I'm sorry.
a young counsel at the bar.
I'm
only seeing what she's.
Your Lordship, on a lighter note, I've grayed early. I'm also young. Just on a very lighter note.
But not younger than her.
I was just pulling it.
Nothing is mentioned here.
Your lordships, this is a defamation complaint that would file.
Maybe, but not, it is not mentioned in the order.
Your lordships, if your lordships will give me time, I will file the trial court order in this matter as well. This is not my matter, but your lordship, this is
My apologies. You are working with whom, ma'am?
your lordships. Are
you independent now or are you working?
Yes, your lordships.
Is it a judgment?
Your lordships, this is the order of this court
Thank you.
allowing a transfer in a defamation complaint.
We have seen that, but we are not allowed
Your lordships,
to argue anything further.
your lordships, that the same respondent herein has filed a private complaint in Calcutta against me. The private complaint has exactly the same allegations. He, however, claims in the private complaint that the criminality made out is emotional hurt caused to him, and he has mentioned section 323 IPC in that private complaint. I have annexed that as P1 of my transfer petition. The exact same emotional hurt or reputational damage is now being sought to be agitated once again in a separate private complaint in a totally different state. Your lordship, I am unemployed. I was thrown out of employment because I was a whistleblower in an insurance company. The respondent was the CEO in the company at that time. Within a few months of me raising issues about non-compliance in that company, I was thrown out. Thereafter, an FIR was filed against me in Bombay. I was arrested in that FIR, kept in for 2 months. Criminal defamation in the Bombay High Court with a prayer for 100 crores as damages. Thereafter, private complaint in Calcutta under 323 for emotional
There are
hurt.
only 2 grounds which you have said in your SLP. What you are saying here is none of the grounds. Thank you.
Your lordships, I've set all of this out in the grounds. I have also filed an application for additional grounds, your lordships.
We are not interested.
You argued.
Your lordships, may I then only request permission to appear on VC before the Honorable Trial Court?
That you make a request. What's your good name?
Rupali.
Your Lordship, I just like to interrupt here. My instructions are a bailable warrant has been issued because of non-appearance. I'm sorry, sir. Your
You
Lordship,
should know how to.
I have applied. I'm
Sorry, now you file your counter.
applied.
Counter within 2 weeks you join over.
Lordship, may I request for 3 weeks because the client is not
No problem. 3 weeks.
Your Lordship, I apologize.
State.
Item 6.
This is not out of anger that we are doing.
I understand, Your Lordship. It is my mistake. What happened was
200%. We must know the younger people there
I apologize for it. She's a good friend of mine also.
We all learn from each other every day.
All right. Your Lordship, why I was mentioning is on the VC thing, these.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Item 6.
नहीं, pass.
Item 7.
Please, Lord, I am appealing for petition husband.
The possibility of settlement.
Because I'm with the state, the complainant is not made the part.
Complainant?
Lord, as per office report, respondent number 2 complaint has not been served.
Served, no.
Lord, may I have it after a week? We will file 20 days particulars during course of the day.
Private respondent number 2 remains unserved. As per office report.
Yes.
Let steps complete in all respect by furnishing better particular, latest and better particular the returnable.
What's the problem?
Item 8. May it please, my lords, this is a challenge to the rejection of an anticipatory bail.
Why was it rejected?
Only on the basis of call detail records, my lords. The learned High Court has come to
What were
a
you
conclusion.
indulging in?
My lords, the Honorable High Court has come to a
What were you indulging in? Allegedly indulging in.
No, my lords, my case is that the persons against whom they are
Allegedly indulging in. We are only asking for the allegations against you.
There is no allegation against me in the FIR. I have not been named.
You're right. Not named in the FIR.
Right.
But as per the status report, your name surfaced during investigation.
My lords, it is
And you are absconding. That's what it is.
My lords, may I just clarify that? My lords, status report only makes a disclosure that allegedly one of the two accused has named me. However, that alone. Does not make me or implicate me in the case, my lords. There is a judgment of this honorable court which says that in the absence of any other evidence, a mere disclosure is not sufficient to.
All details show your presence there on
But it is not the presence. All detail records, my lords,
That's-
only show the
that's
network from which I am connected, not that I am
That is
present at the
that
back.
is how the record reveals. We are not saying it is right or wrong.
No,
It's not a case of A-bail.
my lords, the scope. May I just make one submission then, my lords?
Yes.
My lords, how and why I am being implicated is because the prime accused, Amrish Rana, was the one who came to me on the night of the incident at midnight, asked me to write a complaint. I am a final year LLB student.
We've seen that.
Right.
And,
so
and that is precisely what we were discussing. A law student has all the more reason to abide by the law.
Well, he only drafted a complaint reporting this illegal. May I just take one more minute, my lord? My lord, may I just take one more minute? There is another aspect to this. My lord, Thakur Stone Crushers, who has filed this complaint, is the one against whom NGT has taken cognizance that they are engaging in illegal mining. The menace of illegal sand mining on this very Swan River is not something which has escaped the lens of law.
Only, ma'am, because you are a law student, we are issuing notice, but with the understanding that please don't assure your client what is going to be the final outcome. Okay?
My lords, may kindly protect him. I am obliged.
Yes.
Deeply obliged. Item 9.
Please, my lord.
One minute. Notice.
My request to make is returnable within 2 weeks.
We always give a date, sir. In addition, Sunny.
My request for an interim relief.
No.
Grateful. Beholder.
These minutes are made to pay for the petition in this matter. Minutes against the same impugned order, same FIR minutes notice has. We request is just kindly tag this SLP with SLP criminal number.
Okay, tag.
Standing counsel.
Most of it. Release you on Anticipatory.
The day on which